Alright guys, well you saw in past video that we got the ignition coil off the 59 Fairlane. So give it a clean. I'm gonna give it a little spritz because the engine bay is pretty it's pretty clean. So I'm gonna try to keep it clean. Looking nice. Alright guys, well I'm gonna give us a couple coats and hopefully the next video or clip you'll be seeing is me putting the new ignition coil and this back up on the car. Since we got the screw out,
yep,
took the old stuff out.
Putting your pertronix in is very simple. First, I gotta get this through the rest of the way too. It'll lock in the hole. Little bitch. All right, we'll fight with that in a minute. So, put your magnetic ring over the lobes on the distributor. You put your little spacer to set your depth, and then that's where you tighten down your screw. And this side just locks into the other screw hole. It just has a pin, so that locates it. So that's pretty much ready to go. Once we get this, we gotta grab this rubber and get it all the way through, so it's locked. Yeah, and then that's done, and you can put your rotor on and your cap, and then you're done under here.
Yeah.
And we can start.
We got the new rotor and cap right there.
Yep.
Good to go on that.
You want to bring in your coil that you have video that you're going to give me right now that's going to go on front of this video?
Yeah, I'll bring it in right now. I'll get the ignition coil into it and go from there.
You want me to back up, Scott?